guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to cook your Thanksgiving turkey in a roaster oven. Now this is an Oster roaster oven. I got it for like 24 bucks at Walmart. I've been cooking my Thanksgiving turkey in this thing for the last 3 years. We're going on 4, and it comes out super moist and it cooks super fast. I love it. It's my favorite thing to use. This is a self-basting lid, so once you have your turkey in here, you don't remove this thing. I usually use an internal thermometer for mine to see the temperature, or you can, like, if you have a push-up thermometer, you can see it through here, but this will pretty much keep it moist. It comes with a little tray for easy insert and removing of the turkey, and for easy cleaning, this comes off. It goes up to 450 degrees. It has a defrost option, and it also has a keep warm option. And you can use this for other things. I've used it for ribs and things like that, but every year, Thanksgiving, I use this. And we all know that we need our oven time, so it saves me so much space in the oven to make other things and time. I've cooked a 20-pound turkey in this thing for 2 hours. I've cooked a 15-pound turkey for 1 hour. And they all come out good. And yeah, so I am gonna show you how to cook the perfect turkey in this thing. So let's get started. Now, if you don't plan on making a lot of gravy, don't add extra chicken broth like I just did. Add your giblets and turkey neck. And you want to place your turkey in the center, and be careful because this is really hot. Add any finishing touches, seasonings, anything that could have fell off. And I usually use an internal thermometer to check the temperature. Cover and do not remove the lid. A 13.5-pound turkey in 1 hour cooked through. This is why I love using the roaster oven. Now we're gonna cut through and you're gonna see how juicy this thing is. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that juice. This smells amazing. And if you guys want a more brown turkey, if you like a more crispier texture, what I've done before is put it in my regular conventional oven for about 450 degrees for 10 minutes before I finish cooking it in the roaster oven. But this right here is perfect for me.